HP sent me this HP Sprocket. Focus. It's a smartphone printer. So yeah, it's a smartphone printer, which is the problem. I was hoping I could get this and then take it, stick it in my bag, and then right after I shoot something for someone, I could take it, can print them a few photos, and then send them home with that, and then later send them the digitals. But the problem is my Canon 5D3 doesn't have Wi-Fi, and this can only print from my phone. So I need to take my photos from my memory card, somehow get it to my phone, then print it, then give it to the client. So what I would have liked is if it had a memory card slot, or if it could take a USB drive. I know most cameras have Wi-Fi now, which will help, but it still cuts out a step, which I would like to eliminate. But it's pretty fun once you look at it as a smartphone printer and not as a printing tool for your professional work. It's pretty good because you and your friends could take pictures with your phone and then print them. The prints come out quite cool. They're nice, but they're not the color of the print. So anything, if the background's got a little bit of brown in it, then the whole image takes a little bit of a brown. This is a black and white photo, but it's a kind of like purple-ish, pinkish, too much magenta in a black and white print, which is kind of annoying. So what I decided to do is not use it on my professional stuff for the review. Yesterday I worked with Rada, which is in this video. So we went to all the orphanages and stuff that they sponsor, and then I took a whole bunch of pictures of the kids of them having fun, which I will digitally give to Rada, but I'll also send this back with Kate, which she goes there often and she can give it to them and they can stick it up on the wall. That's the other cool thing, is the back of these prints pull off, they peel off like a sticker, so you can stick it on wherever you want quite easy. So scrapbooking and making little albums is pretty cool for that. Use a zinc paper, which is it's just paper that will print it on itself without ink, so that's handy. I think these prints are a tiny bit bigger than the Fujifilm Instax prints, maybe the same size. It's pretty cool. I think they'll like it, the kids will like it. So I print them all and then and send it back with Kate. Anyway, check it out. If you plan to have some fun with the printer, print from your phone, hand it out to your friends, so on, get one. You'll like it. Anyway, I think they're here to pick it up right now, so I'm gonna take it back. Give me a second. It was them. They came to pick it up, so I've sent it back now. Thanks for bringing it. I really enjoyed using it and seeing what it can do. Yeah. Back to the video.